So dear students, we are going to continue our poem No Men Are Foreign from the last, we have to actually study the last two extracts. Three extracts we have completed in the last video. Now, from the fourth extract, let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, who take arms against each other. The poet reminds us that we should always remember that it is we who raise the weapons against each other. If we do this, it is our fault, not of the others. Means when we are betrayed by others, actually he is not betraying us, we are betraying ourselves, we are cheating ourselves. Let us remember when we are told to hate our brothers, means when we are told, we have many, due to the many reasons, we hate each other. Sometimes we have religious fanaticism, sometimes chauvinism, sometimes some other matters. किसी ना किसी वजह से हम एक कंट्री, एक लोग दूसरे लोगों से हमेशा या तो either they are hateful, contemptuous, or they are frightened. Sometimes they are frightened, they are jealous, they are contemptuous. Many reasons are there of the fighting. Fighting के बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं. Domination also, when we want to dominate other countries, right? As many countries are doing today. So the reasons are many. But what we are doing if we are told to hate our brothers, जब हमसे ये कहा जाता है कि हम अपने ही भाइयों से लड़ें, means all the people who are living on this earth are our brethren, brothers and sisters. It is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray and condemn. Means we are not betraying them, we are not destroying them, we are destroying ourselves. We are dispossessing ourselves. Dispossessing means dislodge or deprive ourselves. Deprive means होता है to be away from something, that is called deprive. वंचित कर देना, that is called in Hindi. So dispossesses, dislodge or deprive. It is we who are deprive ourselves. Betray ourselves. Betray means betray is cheat or dodge ourselves. DODGE. Dispossesses, betray and condemn. Condemn means curse ourselves. We are not cursing others, we are cursing ourselves. We are cursing ourselves. That we shall dispossess, betray and condemn ourselves. Remember, we who take arms against each other, means it is we who are responsible to take arms each other. So we should understand that it is useless, it is a nuisance, it is futile, it is useless, it is worthless. In the concluding line, the poet says, it is the human earth that we defile. The whole human earth is ours and we are defiling it. Defiling is making dirty or pollute. We are polluting it. Defile means pollute. It is the human earth which we are polluting by our own self-greed, by our own ways. We are actually defiling, we are polluting this earth, beautiful nature. It is the human earth that we defile, our hells of fire. Hells of fire. Hells of fire. It is a kind of metaphorical line. Hells of fire means when we create fire through the weapons or through the jealousy, through the contemptuousness, hatefulness which we have against each other, we raise the weapons towards each other, we create a kind of fire between us. When we create such kind of fire, it is no less than the fire of the hell. It is no less than the fire of the hell which can destroy, which can burn all the humanity. So it is said that it is the human heart that will defile our hells of fire, and dust outrage the innocence. Dust outrage the innocence. Dust of rage. That is also metaphorical line. Our rage has been told here as dust. Just as dust create all kind of mist everywhere in the atmosphere, जिस तरह से एक जो डस्ट होती है, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, वो सारी एटमॉस्फेयर को मिस्टी कर देते हैं, अनक्लियर कर देते हैं. इन द सेम वे व्हेन वी आर आउटरेजियस, when we are furious, when we are in our anger, it creates a kind of mist, a kind of dust which defile our atmosphere, which pollutes our atmosphere. So two things are there which pollute our atmosphere, which pollute our nature, which pollute the whole humanity. That is the hell of fire and dust. So two things have been told by the poet metaphorically here, that the hells of fire and dust of rage outrage the innocence. Dust outrage. Dust outrage, that is outrage. Whether we say outrage or outrage, almost same meaning they have. So dust outrage means when we are in our rage, when we are in our fury, when we are in our resentment, when we are in our anger, it create a kind of dust which make the atmosphere mystic, unclear, right? So it is we who create such kind of things. It is the human earth that will defile our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air. Innocence of air becomes polluted. Innocence of air means our humanity. Innocence of air means our humanity. The innocence from us becomes polluted. That is everywhere our own, and that humanity is similar in everywhere. Whether you are going in this country or that country or any particular country, you will find the same humanity, the same feeling the people have, the same innocence of air everywhere. That defiles. That defiles when we are outrageous, when we are having so much fury against each other, when we create hell of fire by raising the weapons, right? So वेपन से निकलने वाली फायर और निकलने वाला जो स्मोक होता है, या ऐसे कहने कि हमारे अंदर की जो फीलिंग है वो क्या हो जाती है, हेलिश हो जाती है. When we have jealousy, when we have lust, when we have different kind of all the negative feelings, and when we are outrageous, when we are furious, it defiles our atmosphere. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. So, in the concluding line, the poet reminds us once again that no country is foreign and no person is strange. Everybody is like us, everybody is same. So, we should stand united, we should feel humanity towards each other, we should feel in the brotherhood, we should feel in the human feelings. We should be human, and when we show such kind of feeling towards our brethren, to our brother and sister, then in reality we will be humans. So we should always remember that no men are foreign. So in these lines I am going to tell you some figure of speeches. How many figure of speeches are there? As I told, there are two lines. Two phrases have the metaphorical lines are there. So there is a metaphor in hell of fire and dust outrage. No men are foreign and no country stay. No and no. No and no, there is repetition. Right? There is repetition. So one more figure of speech is repetition. And when there is a repetition, there must be a repetition also, as I told. जहाँ repetition होता है वहाँ repetition जरूर होता है. Okay? So 3 figure of speeches we have found, and I have told in the first 3 paragraphs. I have already told them. Thank you very much.